everyone, this is Leena Moon. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, subscribe to my channel and you press the bell icon so that you can notified every time I post a new video. If you want to know me personally, you can join me on Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. Today I'm gonna talk about relationship between language and culture. There is a relationship between language and culture. Culture plays an important role in learning a language. We Indians imitate Western culture. We copy not only Western culture but their English language, their accents. Language and culture go hand in hand. Language is present everywhere. Language is a means of communication. If you know language, you can express yourself in better way. We use language to interact with other members of society. Communication is the basic human need. Human beings are communicating and interacting with each other in different ways. Thus, for obvious reason, the language came first. Language and culture are interlinked. You cannot learn one of these without having a clear understanding of the other. If you are interested in learning English language or one or more foreign languages, you must study the culture of the respective regions. For effective communication with a foreign audience, you must be aware of their culture. Thus, the culture and language are intertwined. You cannot set them apart. If you want to improve your linguistic skills for a second language, you have to tackle both culture and language side by side. The more you learn the cultural background of a language, the faster you learn that language. One thing is common between language and culture is both are continuously changing with time. Many languages evolved. A large number of languages are spoken across the world. For instance, the English language we use today is way different than the old English. Similarly, you can identify several differences between the old Western culture and new one. Both language and culture experience drastic changes over time. You might have noticed one thing very well, that our grandparents use different words in their talk. But we never use those similar words. Even their dressing style is different from us. Therefore, you cannot expect a small kid and an old man to share identical cultures and the same language, even if they are living in the same locality. The language evolves primarily because of their association with culture. As I mentioned earlier, language and culture continue to evolve, and so does our personality. Both language and culture play a significant role in shaping our personality. Culture plays an important role in learning a language. When a language is lost, a part of the culture gets lost. Language impacts human thoughts. Language is like a tool using which you can express your culture. And culture tells you that how to interact with others and helps to shape ethics, values. It keeps you close to like-minded people, strengthen your bond with society. How we think, speak and interact with people around us is determined by cultural values. As we meet people from different cultures, we get to learn more, explore more, and interact with them can impact our personality as well. Stay tuned with Leena Moon. Share this video with your family members, your friend circle, and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that you can notified every time I post a new video. Take care of your health. Have a nice day and bye.